the spending has increased by 63%. Similarly, now what happens? Blogging, I was said 88%, B2B companies that blog generate 88% more leads per month than those who do not. Can you imagine? Similarly, those acquiring of customers, increasing your emailers list, opt-in emailers list, increase of writing of blogs, monthly leads, they increase. Similarly, if you are blogging and writing more, your search engine optimization also increases. Just imagine 70% of the user never go further than first page of search results. Can you imagine? 75% never go beyond second results. So today I was talking to you about importance of Google and search engine optimization. If you are not on top 10 in the first page, means you are not coming on the search engine's top 10 or on the first page, you are losing your business and all marketing strategies, etc. So you have to apply your brain to be on the top. Now what happens? How to reach on the top? It has been seen that if your website has, let's say, 400 to 1000 pages, this is what is called 6 acts strategy.